Guys, meron pong batang napilay. Here she goes. And she's almost 5'6".
I'm not gonna grow anymore, they said.
Oh yeah. That's her height forever.
What?
I think so.
Can't you like grow until you're like 18?
I don't know.
So sad, guys.
She sprained her ankle.
I need to exercise it.
Okay. So, look at her. Sprained.
So very, very sad, guys.
We're just waiting for the flu vaccine, guys.
After
Just gonna
this,
get her flu vaccine.
we're gonna go and
What?
shop.
You have a shopping money?
Yeah.
So, baby, we belong together. Guys, galing kami sa clinic. Ito po ang ating pilay na pasyente. And after the pilay-pilay thing, nakabalot na po ang kanyang ankle. We're gonna go there at Tarjay and Ross.
Tarjay.
And Ross.
Ross.
Okay, may titignan lang po kami. Tapos bibili kami ng mga... Ano yan yung pambalot sa ano niya?
Gauze.
Sa gauze, tsaka ano? Anong size? Yun ba yun? Show your face. Come on. Show your face. Come here. There you go.
Hi, guys.
May bindi ako. Tingnan mo.
Mom.
And look at my gray hairs. Gray hair, don't care.
Okay guys, so this is what we bought for her. Sprained foot. So we have the gel ankle, gel vinyl wrap, tsaka tong mamahal. Ito. Hindi na ano gasa yung binili ko ito na kasi at least ito pwedeng malabhan. Pwede niyang i-alternate dun sa isang gas na binigay nila. So yeah, we're gonna take care of that sprained ankle.